Welcome to a very special Blade of the Week. Guess who come a knocking? I entered Ohio Wolverines Sheffield Knife giveaway, and I won it. So I got it today, and this is going to be an unboxing of the Sheffield knife. Okay. Nice. Okay. Go ahead and open it. Sorry about the lack of talking. Can't chew and walk and chew bubblegum at the same time. Ah, this is nice.
Put your hand out the way.
Oh, this is a nice one. Okay, let me go ahead and get everything out of the way. And this is the knife. I'll cherish this. I'm really glad I won this one. This is the Sheffield knife that I won. It also came with a note that said, "Thank you for supporting my channel. Hope you have a great holiday season. Ohio Wolverine." And I want to thank you, Ohio Wolverine, for having the contest and for me being the winner. And as my wife always says, happy farming.